Bill. So I'm gonna make another one of my little fun snack things. I know everyone hates, like having to wash a single dish, so they take something out of the cupboard that's not good for them. But alright, so I'm gonna show you something a little healthier, right? Alright, so first, I got a little pan here because I'm gonna make like one of my egg sandwiches. So I got a pan, a little butter in it, low heat under it, and I just want to put something in the egg to give a little flavor. So I was looking through my refrigerator and I had a little leftover shallot. So shallot is like mild garlic, right? So all I want to do is I just want to take the little whack, just cutting these little pieces. And let's about this side. Don't need a whole lot. And I'm just going to chop it up. Alright, so in the pan, a little sizzle action. Just for a little flavor, because I hate using like garlic salt, onion salt. It's probably poison. Give that a second. In the meantime, got myself an everything bagel from a real bagel shop. Can't figure out how to unwrap it. And obviously the easiest way to do this is with a bread slicer. Try not to take your fingers off, right? Ooh, nice fresh bagel. I'm going to go stick this in the toaster, but I'm not going to hit the button yet, okay? Alright. Keep this up a second. The pan's so little it doesn't sit in there very square. That's okay. So now I just need to beat an egg or two, right? I had 2 leftovers. Bing, bing. Don't keep your eye on it, take your eye off this. I just want them to soften up a little bit. Or they can burn, it won't matter. With my 2 eggs. Doesn't this look like fun? You really do have to have a pretty small pan to make this work. I'm rushing, because I see that I need to get this in there pretty quick. Isn't this fun? Alright, here we go. I'm wasting time doing this, so intentionally I know it's cooking on the bottom. Otherwise I'd be messing with it. Alright. Alright, now I know. I'm going to turn it out just a little bit. Know for a fact that it's cooking. So, we'll start with, I got some bacon, keeping it in pretty big pieces. If you want, you could make it smaller. Oops. Now, make sure we get all that egg cooked. I feel like I'm making a crepe. Alright. Pretty good here. Okay, well that's just working. Trick number 2, or 3, I can't remember, is I got little cheese. You can use any kind. This is some provolone I had left over. And I really want to get that nice and soft. And now is the time I'm going to do the bagel. Just want to make sure we have that cheese a little softer. I got the egg cooked. Shake, shake, shake. Magic. And my toaster's really old, so I have to keep it over there because it's really loud. You can probably still hear it. It's almost perfect. Almost. Pretty cool, huh? Time a little bit more. See, the egg's really starting to set now. Clean up after myself. Don't leave your knives all dirty. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to do a little tri-fold. It's hard with the bacon. And I'm going to cut it. Now, I've done that. I take my second piece of bell cheese. Boom. nice crispy bagel. Want it to all stick together. I'm making a mountain. I want to call it healthy, so I got a slice of tomato I put on it. Now we flip this over. That's how you make a bagel sandwich. Stop making those little tiny things you get from the, I don't know, places you can get gas and whatever. Let me just show you what this looks like. And cheese. I really love just that hint of that shallot in there. This thing's so cool, so good. Try fun things. They're simple. You'll like it. And don't be hungry. There's lots of food in your refrigerator that you don't even know about. And don't throw stuff away, okay? Make stuff like this out of it. Anyway, I gotta eat this before it gets too cold. I'll see you back with another fun, quick video. Have a great day.